Hey everyone, Colby Tunick here, and today I'm excited to walk you through the new email gateway from Refocus AI. This allows anyone with just a business email to send and receive real-time actionable retention insights because wouldn't you want to know who's going to leave? Because we can tell you that. What this means for you are three things, three critical things. The first is that you no longer need to work with your IT department for any sort of implementation. Why? Because now you can just use your business email. The second, you don't need to worry about adding another portal to your process that you have to go through every day because you again are able to use your email. And lastly, there's not an API integration to worry about here. Why? Again, because of your email. And using your email, you can now get real-time retention insights. Just the other day, we were able to help a middle of the country mutual carrier improve their retention significantly by being able to predict 6 months out with 98% accuracy, those that were likely to leave before they did. And what that carrier was able to do was follow up with them in order to increase the retention by offering value adds, which ultimately prevented a significant number from churning who otherwise would. I'd like to now show you how to use the email gateway. Again, all you need to do is open your email. And you can see here an export I made earlier from my book of business. Here it is. So go ahead and open up a new email. And in the address bar, type in data@api.refocusai.com. That's it. That's all the training you need in order to be able to use the email gateway. I have text in the subject line and in the body of the email. That isn't necessary, but if you'd like to, feel free to do it. And then I've attached that export of my book of business that I showed you earlier. And now all I have to do is send this off. After waiting just a few moments, you can see that I have received an email from Refocus AI using the email gateway. All you need to do is go ahead and open it up. And within that email, we've added some information that we think is important for you to know. And you can see that here. And then there's a new attachment for you, the results file. And if you go ahead and open this up, you can see both retention as well as potential sales information. And this just has to do with the type of data that you sent us that is configurable. And that's all you need to know in order to use the new email gateway from Refocus AI. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Colby at refocusai.com.